So to create a virtual private cloud in your AWS environment using the console, first thing you want to do obviously is log into the console. So you can see I've got it pulled up here. And if it doesn't show up in the recently visited services like it does for me, all you got to do is do a quick search for it and then launch it from here. This will take us to the VPC dashboard. And here you can see that I've already got one VPC that I've created in the past. And if I want to create another one, they've got a wizard for that. So we're gonna use the wizard. And here you can see we've got 4 options for the different types of VPCs. So here, Amazon's got their documentation for what the different VPCs, what they could be used with, generally speaking. And if you're going to be deploying something like AWS's CPM server, then you're going to want to have something that's publicly accessible. So I'm going to keep it simple and stick with one that has a public subnet, and specifically one with just a single public subnet. So I'll select that option. And here on this next screen, we can change the network as well as the subnet if we wanted. So I'm going to leave the network at /16 and no IPv6. And give it a name here. And the name's got to be, of course, descriptive. Something you would be able to use to recognize your virtual private cloud as well as the resources you're going to put in it. And then the subnet here, I'm just going to use a /24 so I can create a lot of them inside of my /16. And leave the subnet name as public. Just keep it simple. Not going to create any endpoints at this point. We're going to enable DNS host names so we can connect to them. And then we'll just click the option to create VPC. And that's going to run through and create it. And then once it is created, we'll get this successfully created screen. And so we can go back to the VPC dashboard and we can see that we now have 2. Well, I now have 2. So if we open this up, we can see our TechSnips_N2WS. And so let's go back to the dashboard. If we wanted to launch an EC2 instance in that, we can come back here and launch an instance. I'm just gonna select a base instance here, go to configure. Here in the network, this is where we have the option to set the VPC. So here we go, you can see my TechSnips_N2WS VPC. So that's how you use the AWS console to create a new virtual private cloud. Thanks for watching.